Hello guys, we are learn what is a random variable and its type in this video. So let's start. What is random variable? Random variable. Random variable is a real value. Real value. It is defined on a sample value. Sample space of a random experiment. Random experiment. We can understand random variable is a real value that are defined on a sample space of a random experiment. Now we are understand what is a sample space. What is sample space that under random variable is defined. So sample space is a set of possible value or collection of possible outcomes of a random experiment. Random experiment, like examples. In the example, we clear the what is random variables and what is a sample space. When we roll a dice, and dice have a six face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 face. That are all. When we roll our dice, we have a possibility all of these 6 values. It is all is a possible value. When we roll a dice, we can get all possible value 1 to 6. It is a sample space. It is sample space. It is represented using the symbol S. Next we are random. Now we are learn examples of random variables. So when we roll a dice, sample space is all possible value, but random variable is defined in the sample space. When we find a probability of a even numbers, when we roll a dice, we have just 6 possible value, but how many possible value have for even numbers? We can see 2, 4, 6. Now random variable is 2, 4, 6. 6, 4, 6. It is have a 3 numbers. It is will be go random variables. It is a sample space. Next we will learn its types, random variables types. Then random variable types. It is a two types. First discrete variable, next continuous variables. Continuous variable. We are understand the what is discrete variables and what is continuous variable. Discrete variable is a actual value. Discrete variable is a actual value. Integer value. Like example 1 4 5 6 8 and that have no decimal value. Continuous value is a range value. Continuous value is a range value that is defined in the range. Example 0 to 1, it is define the 0.5, 0.6, 0.2. It is a decimal value. Decimal value. Continuous value is continuous variables. Continuous variables is defined in the range, within a range. Like we see 0 to 1, it have many values: 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.2, 0.6. It may have many value on the defined range. That is a continuous variables. It is a decimal value. Decimal value. Next example, continuous value. When we measure height, meters, kilometers, it is all measurement weight. It is all measurement is going will be a point decimal value, decimal number. So examples. Weight 5.5, height 6.7 meter. It is all value is a decimal value that are continuous variables. So we are understand what is a random variables and space, sample space, its types. I hope are you understand random variables, what is random variables, its types. So we discuss how we can calculate find the random variables in a discrete variables or continuous variable in the next video. Thanks for the watching.